beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. Now in this video, I thought I would sit down and do kind of little chit chat with Kat planner chat video with you folks, focusing on 2024's planner trends. And I have got this idea from one of my beloved YouTube, Instagram favorites, Julie's Plans. Love Julie's Plans. If you're not following Julie, you need to, because girl has that spunk, that spirit, that fire. She's been my planner guru for, I don't know, as long as she's been on the platforms, let me tell you. I love Julie. And she had some great insights that really spoke to me in terms of my planner journey for 2023 and where I want to be moving forward for the upcoming year. So I would highly recommend that you pause me here, head on over and check out Julie's video on 2024 planner trends and hear her thoughts, and come on back and pick up where you left off watching me. And I would love to hear your thoughts and comment down below. Let's have a conversation. I want to know what your thoughts are on the 2024 planner trends and what directions you plan to head in for this upcoming year, because a lot has changed in the planner community. I've been a part of the planner community for well over a decade in terms of following and, you know, purchasing and all that stuff. And I'm just finding that things have changed. The times have changed. So I would love to hear your thoughts as well. So don't forget to comment down below and join in on the conversation. And if you want to know what I've been thinking about for the year to come, then keep on watching. Okay, let's get into the tea. Let's get into the juicy juice. If you love this type of video, I would love for you to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on all the platforms, baby. Your girl is TikToking now, so don't forget to check me out on that platform as well, where I share all my calm living and calm organization content over there as well. So, you know, one of the things that when we talk about the trends and what's happening, what's changing, what's good, what's not good, what's in, what's out, I'm really, for me personally, what I'm really trying to embrace is my first thing, and that is saying bye-bye to FOMO, baby. No longer am I hopping on board with the latest, greatest planner, the latest, greatest stickers, the latest, greatest washi tape. I am so over it. And my budget is over it. My wallet is over it, babies. Okay. Because in this tight economy, when everything, food is expensive, rent is expensive, mortgages are expensive, utilities are expensive, it almost seems just ridiculous spending so much money, an exorbitant amount of money on all the things. My second thing that I'm going to be doing in this upcoming year is saying hello to simplicity. You know what I'm saying, peeps? In the past, I've had a planner for every mood and occasion. And, you know, part of my planning my way to calm and using planning as a calming mechanism is to keep things simple. And I think I got lost in the trends of the FOMOing and all that stuff. And I think really, I got a new planner, which I'm really excited to share. Comment down below if you can guess what the planner is, but I got a brand new planner and I'm super stoked about it. I'm super excited to share it with you. It's very simple. Just not to say that I'm not going to be using other planners. I'm keeping my planners to 3, and that's basically because I do planner content. If it was me alone, I would just be using one planner and putting everything in there and sharing, you know, calling it a day. But like Julie says, because I share my planner on the tubes and on the internet, I'm not going to be putting my personals up in there, you know what I'm saying? So I got several planners for such occasions, but the 2 planners I will be sticking with for sure will be some type of Hobonichi Sterling Ink concept, common planner concept, and the Erin Condren Daily Planner. I really like that planner, and I've been using it and loving it, and I can hop out of it, hop back into it, and still feel good about it without, oh my gosh, empty pages, that type of thing. So yeah, there's that. And the third thing I'm going to be doing, the trend I'm going to be following for 2024 is to embrace creativity. One of the things I'm noticing, especially in like stickers and sticker kits and things like that, is the concept of journaling. And Julie also spoke about this as well, is embracing journal and using journaling kits to boost your planner creativity. So, you know, just jotting the everyday moments down and using it for gratitude purposes, for documentation purposes, documenting what the kids did, what you and the partner did, whatever the case is. And I just love that. I love how the sticker kits allows for that creativity. And, you know, I'm seeing less of, you know, you have all the kits from all one brand. I'm seeing a lot more brand hopping. So, you know, a lot of, you know, buffet style, if you will, type of testing and trying and enjoying. And I love that. I love trying new stickers, seeing new sticker shops and seeing what's out there and enjoying all the things. And you know, what I'm going to be doing now in next year is really being creative, kind of getting out of my comfort zone, not always getting the same stickers from the same shops. I want to try something new and get out of my comfort zone and embrace my creativity, because that's why I love planning. That's what makes it fun, is that I can, you know, get out and enjoy different things and experiment different things. So I'm looking forward to that. And one of the fourth thing that I'm really going to be focusing on this year is keeping myself and all my stuff organized to make sure that I am saving money. Because one of the things that I noticed this year is when I didn't organize, I ended up buying things that I thought I didn't need or didn't have. And now I have multiples of things that I have no business buying. Like yeah, I learned the hard way. And so I'm going to be sharing more organization videos of how I keep things organized and simple, again, going back to that simplification type of situation, you know what I'm saying? Where just keeping things simple and organized will really help me save money. The fifth and final thing that I'm going to be doing, the trend I'm going to be following for 2024 for planners, is really just doing what works for me. I think a lot of times when I hear and read comments over on my Instagram, a lot of people are just so frustrated with, well, so-and-so that I love and watch on YouTube or Instagram or whatever is doing this, and I got that and it's not working for me. And it's okay. It's okay if you see something and you get it because you're inspired, and it doesn't work for you. Do what works for you, boo. Do what works for you. Because what I've learned this year is that just because everybody else is doing it doesn't mean it works for me. And the Hobonichi Weeks is a great example. I cannot work well in that planner because it's too small. My handwriting's too big and it just doesn't give me enough wiggle room. And I learned the hard way. It took me two Hobonichi Weeks to figure that out, right? But I still love the planner. I still use it for other things. I just can't use it as an everyday carry. It's like a good jot down planner, but it can't be my everyday planner. And that's just me. I'm a big writer. But I'm doing what works for me. And I can't wait to share with you what I'm going to be using and probably loving for this this upcoming year. So stay tuned to the channel for that. I would love to know what your thoughts are in all of this planner goodness, planner trends, what's shaking, what's happening, what planners are you loving, what planners are you looking to purchase, how are you going to change your planner game, are you going to be following the planner trends, or are you just going to continue to do you, boo, and enjoy your own planner game? I would love to hear in the comments down below, so don't forget to hit me up and tell me down below. And until the next video, my friends, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you back here for the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.